Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. Today we're checking out the D&C Designs Lucid VSL lights for the 2018 and newer Jeep Wrangler JL, as well as the 20 newer Jeep Gladiator JT. The Lucid VSL lights are a totally unique lighting option that install right here on the cowl area of your Wrangler or Gladiator in a matter of minutes with no modification, drilling, cutting, or even any additional brackets required. And that's because they totally replace both the driver and passenger side cowl panel on your vehicle with a one-piece replacement cowl and light assembly. Now, D&C Designs proudly manufactures their Lucid VSL lights right here in the USA. It is worth noting that they are not compatible with the Wrangler 392 or the Gladiator Mojave because those vehicles do feature a taller side cowl piece to match that taller hood found on those vehicles. Now, VSL stands for Vehicle Side Lighting, and the Lucid VSL does just that. Totally illuminates the area to both the driver and passenger side of your vehicle. And that's going to be extremely helpful whether you're simply parking down a dark driveway or maybe crawling down the trail and need to illuminate the sides of the vehicle so you can see any potential hazards or obstacles lurking just to the side of your Wrangler or Gladiator. Now, the Lucid VSL lights are sold painted to match your Wrangler or Gladiator. They are available in all of the factory color options found on the Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. And that means you can have them installed in a matter of minutes from the time you take them out of the box, because you're not going to have to drop them off at a body shop to get painted to match your vehicle. And they do feature a simple 3-wire hookup on the back of the lights. Of course, we have a ground wire, a power wire for the main light, and we also have a 3rd wire for the amber marker light found on the Lucid VSL lights to give them another added function to help better alert drivers around you on the road of your intentions when you're making a turn or changing lanes. Now, the light placement up here high on the cowl means that it can be seen from virtually anywhere down the side of your Wrangler or Gladiator. It's going to be especially helpful if you've replaced your factory fenders with some aftermarket flares that maybe feature a smaller than factory light. That's not going to be an issue with the high center placement of that amber marker light on the Lucid VSL lights. Now, as I mentioned, they do feature a simple 3-wire hookup. It is just a pigtail, so there is going to be some wiring required to get these installed. Now, you can make your own wiring harness or use something like our Quadratec 2-circuit auxiliary light harness to get the job done. As I mentioned, you will have a ground wire, a power wire, and that auxiliary turn signal wire. If you've got the auxiliary switches found in your Wrangler or Gladiator, that's the perfect place to attach the power wire on these lights. And then for that turn signal wire, they're just going to be tapped in to both the driver and passenger front fender turn signal wiring. Now, to physically install the lights on your vehicle, we go ahead and remove the 4 T40 Torx bolts. We've got 2 up top and 2 on the side of the cowl panel. You can go ahead and slide that factory cowl out of the way. And then after slipping your wiring into place, go ahead and install the new cowl piece and light assembly, resecuring it with those 4 factory T40 Torx bolts, 2 at the top and 2 at the side. And that's all it really takes to get your D&C Designs Lucid VSL lights installed on your Jeep Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a set of Lucid VSL lights for your Jeep, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the lights or how to get them installed, you can always do this for me down below. And contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. As always, if you haven't already, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Until next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.